Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. A novel distachionate treats inflammation by modulation COX-2 and inflammatory cytokinase in rat liver tissue from Brinia distachia. First of all, introduction. Importance of plants in Islam. In Holy Quran, it is said, "Your God is that who has made different kinds of orchards and gardens for you. Those have colorful crops of Phoenix dictylifera, Olea europaea, and Ponica granatum." Olea europaea. Olea europaea, that is olive, has found many references in Holy Quran and Hadith. In Hadith, it is said, "Eat the olive oil and apply it on the body. It cured 70 diseases." Kalwanji. According to Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, a regular use of kalwanji can cure every disease except death. Here are some important drugs of plant origin. First of all, aspirin. Chemically, it is salicylate. It has analgesic, anti-inflammatory, and antipyretic activity and obtained from Salix alba. The second one is atropine. Chemically, it is alkaloid. It has pupil dilator activity and obtained from Atropa belladonna. The third one is cocaine. Chemically, it is terpene alkaloid. Medicinal property, it has local anesthetic activity and obtained from Erythroxylum coca. Importance of natural products in modern medicine. Compounds from natural sources such as plants and animals play a significant role in modern medicine. They provide a number of extremely useful drugs that are difficult, if not possible, to produce commercially by synthetic means. These include such diverse groups of compounds such as alkaloid, morphine, codeine, vincristine, vinblastine, taxol, atropine, and hyoscine. Plant collection, identification, and extraction. Brinia distachia was collected from peripheries of Lahore, Pakistan in August 2019. The plant was authenticated as Brinia distachia by Professor Dr. Altaf Ahmed Dasti, taxonomist, Institute for Pure and Applied Biology, Bahauddin Zakariya, University, Multan, Pakistan. The voucher specimen has been deposited in herbarium. Dried and grinded plant material of Brinia distachia was extracted by using different organic solvents such as dichloromethane and methanol. Through a successive maceration and filtration, the filtrates were concentrated by using the rotary evaporator. Result of extraction. The part used was aerial part. 900 gram of powder plant were used. Organic solvent used was dichloromethane and methanol. 12 gram extract obtained from dichloromethane and 19 gram of extract obtained from methanol. Different phytochemical test was also performed. The result of phytochemical screening shows that saponin, steroids and triterpenoids, flavonoids, cardiac glycoside and tannins were present, while alkaloids and anthraquinones were absent. Here is the HPLC spectrum. The HPLC spectrum shows that quercetin, gallic acid, paracomeric acid, and synapic acid are present in Brinia distachia. Metal analysis of Brinia distachia was also performed. It shows that many metals such as iron, manganese, potassium, zinc, sodium, and magnesium are also present in the extract of Brinia distachia. Here is anti-inflammatory assay guided isolation. By using open column chromatography, we purify the compound by repeated column using different mobile phases. The schematic diagram of purification is shown here. We elucidate the structure of pure compound by using different spectroscopic method. These are the spectra of our pure compound. Physical parameters. It was a yellowish powder. Quantity obtained was 9-10 milligram. The melting point was 175 to 185 degrees Celsius. UV lambda max was 230-360 nanometer. IR was conducted by KBR method. Proton NMR by using 600 megahertz. C13 NMR, EIMS, and molecular weight and molecular formula was obtained by HREIMS. Here is the chemical structure of distachionate. Biological activities. Different biological activities were also performed. First of all, wound healing potential of Brinia distachia methanol extract by Axion wound healing model. 10% cream of Brinia distachia methanol extract, 20% cream of Brinia distachia methanol extract, and novel distachionate was used against the standard Contractobex. The novel distachionate shows a significant result against the standard contractobex. The second one was burn bound healing model. Here is the same 10% cream, 20% cream, novel distachionate, and the standard contractobex was also used. The novel distachionate shows a significant result against the standard contractobex. Carrageen-Pah edema model. In this model, saline, Brenia distachia, methanol extract distachionate was used against the standard indomethacin. The novel distachionate shows a significant result against the standard indomethacin. Cotton pellet edema model. Same as the saline, Brenia distachia, methanol extract distachionate, and the standard indomethacin was used, while the distachionate shows a significant result against the standard indomethacin. Histopathological result. Histopathological analysis of liver, heart, lung, kidney, and spleen is shown here. Liver shows a mild inflammation which was significantly reduced after treatment with Brenia distachia methanol extract. No renal and cardiotoxic activity was observed. Here is a molecular docking. Molecular docking was performed for confirmation of target size. It shows confirmed that novel distachionate treats inflammation by modulation COX-2 and inhibited cytokinase in rat liver tissue from Brenia distachia. Here are the results obtained from docking. DPPH radical scavenging and acetylcholine esterase inhibition activities was also performed. Brenia distachia methanol extract and novel distachionate was taken against the standard. In DPPH activity, quercetin was used as standard, and distachionate shows a significant result against the standard. In acetylcholine esterase inhibition activity, acerine was used as a standard, and distachionate also shows a significant activity against the standard. Conclusion. In conclusion, current study isolation of new compound as 2-amino-678 trimethoxy 4A 56789 hexahydro 2-hydroxybenzo aniline 3-al 3,4,5 trimethoxybenzoate from methanol extract of Brenia distachia isolated compound showed a prominent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant activities, which gives a clue about its immunomodulatory attributes. Molecular docking studies show that this distachionate X inflammation by modulation COX-2 and inflammatory cytokinase in rat liver tissue. Further studies to standardize the methanolic extract and long-term toxicological studies are warranted to establish the therapeutic potential of this novel compound. Here is a schematic diagram of the activity of distachionate. Distachionate cure the acute inflammation and chronic inflammation. It does not affect the normal cells. Thank you for your attention.